Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Do-it-yourself lash extensions are a game changer. They make it so that you don't have to wear mascara, they're cheaper than traditional lash extensions, and they last up to 7 days. And today I'm going to show you two different styles from Lilac Street, the Ikon and the Volume, and compare the two. If you would like to know more about do-it-yourself lash extensions, check out my video in the notes below. I show you tips for success, I show you the starter kit and how to take them off. And if you would like to buy do-it-yourself lash extensions from Lilac Street, I have an affiliate link below. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. Let's start with the Ikon style. I'm going to give you a quick review on how to apply them. Start by making sure all dirt and oil have been removed from your lashes. I use the primer from Lilac Street. To do this, saturate a cotton round and rub it on your lashes. Next, curl your lashes, especially if they are straight like mine. If your lashes have natural curl, you can skip the step. Next, brush the glue directly on your lashes. With tweezers, take a lash cluster and apply it underneath your lashes. Continue adding clusters all the way across. Once they are applied, take tweezers and do a light clamp so that the lashes fuse together. Lastly, seal your lashes with a crystal coat. This makes the glue less tacky and shapes your lashes. And here's the final look! Now let's look at the volume style lash. If you are trying to decide between Ikon and the Volume style, the Ikon definitely has more volume. It is denser and gives a bolder look. The Volume style is like your own lashes, but 2 to 3 times more dense. They both last the same amount of time, and both of them are applied the same. You can't go wrong with either one. There are lots of styles to choose from, and these are just 2 of my favorites. I'd love to know what your favorites are. Put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.